Bruh. It's stuck on my hand. How? How? On my hand. How? Bro, why it's stuck always in my hand? Like, why it cannot be? Are you serious? I'll put it in my bigger slime. Now you're stuck there. I'll put some glue. So sometimes I make some slime using glue. So now I like the glue. This glue. This is my favorite glue, and I do like the super glue. It makes more stickier. So this one is my favorite glue. Sometimes I put some dry clay in the slime. So I'll make my sometimes I put the bigger slime. Take out the slime. Use this sometimes. Don't put it in the fridge for 1 hour. It will make more stickier. So it will be more stickier than your tongue. So I'll just put my slime, my glue here. Time now to the second slime. This is my second slime. You have to be kidding me. Just look at my slime. It's so cool, but sometimes it's